Hello Lorak. What would you like to talk about?
I was going to ask.
If I wanted to go to dinner? Of course I do, Lorak. But you know the rule about no personal life outside of work with other employees.
But
I know. I don't like to keep our love a secret either. It's the only light to my dark life, a never-ending burn in my heart.
that's not.
Yes. It's not even close to how you feel about me. Why thank you Lorak, it means so much.
Can you be quiet for 1 minute? I was going to tell you you spilled coffee on your skirt and it looks like you wet your pants.
Well, did you realize you don't have arms? Good day Lorak. Please don't talk to me again. I don't think I will take this breakup well. Please leave before I drown in my own tears.
We were never dating. This isn't a breakup. You need to go back on your medication. I don't care where it itches. You are insane.